Hello, welcome back to the second episode of Adventures in Retrobrite. I'm your host Javier. Today is a very exciting day. We're gonna learn how to do proper retrobrite. So let's start. Here we are. Let's get ready to retrobrite. First of all, we need to make sure we got our elements. OxiClean, Salon Care 40, arrowroot, measurement cup, and a nice cup to put everything in. A nice kind of old painting brush, and then something to mix it. This is only, to make sure that my mixture gets well. And this is a little piece of plastic we're going to be retrobriting. It's a piece of an old printer that is really yellowing. So here we go. For starters, we're going to measure the amount of oxy. I'm going to do 100 milliliters. I already got it marked over there, 50, 100, 200. I marked it double because it was fading. So I did a marker tip and I put it over there so it doesn't get bad. So what I'll do is I'll just pour it already on the container, and next I'm gonna take it to heat a little bit. I'm heating this for 30 seconds in the microwave oven so it blends better with the arrowroot. You don't have to do it, but it's easier and better for us to do it. All right. Here we go, it's heated up, I'll take it out. If you want, you can use gloves to start the process. I already know my process very well, so I don't need any gloves. I'll take a teaspoon, open my arrowroot, and just take a little bit, maybe less than a teaspoon, because arrowroot has been very good for me. And what I do is I just make sure it doesn't get too blendy. And now that I got it over there, I'll put my blender and start blending it. As you can see, it's blending very nicely, the way it should be, just like we were cooking, baking, Make sure it really blends. And you see, it's blended, it doesn't have little pieces, chunks. It's all together. Now that I got that, I'm going to put a teaspoon of OxiClean, and of course, blend it again. And our mixture is ready. You see, it's a nice thick mixture. It's not really watery. It's just good enough so it will not evaporate fast. There you go. We're getting ready to put it outside. All right. We are ready to apply it. As you can see, this is very nice, thick mixture. And we will just apply it like we were painting. In a continuous loop. If you want to do one way, or you can do two ways, like a squarish. The important thing is that you don't leave any thick places. We're like painting, so when you paint, you don't like to leave thick places. You want it to be even. So that's what we're going to try to do. Okay? Even loops. There you go. Plastic doesn't get affected, so we don't care about that right now. And we're just going to leave it over there for a while. Here we go again. I'm going to do another round. As you can see, this is really foaming now with the sun. It's already a little bit dry. So we're going to do another one. Here we are. Not leaving almost any straights. So this will give you a chance to do any lines. And we'll leave it again for a while. It's been about 2 hours now. Already it's looking a lot lighter. So what I gotta do is I gotta go and wash it first and then apply a new one. Alright, let's wash it. Alright. And let's apply a new layer. Now we're going to apply a new layer facing the sun that way, so it gets more sun from other places. Same thing. Make sure we got even everywhere. No thick blasters. Just do it like that. We're almost there. I'm going to apply another one. You can see the color is already very, very good. And we'll see. Well, we're here. This is the last one. This is the end of the day, you know, where there's no more sun. So this is the way it looks like. Let's just take a last wash. As you can see, there's a big difference now. I think you can see, you know, everywhere looks a lot more cleaner. You can see that they used to be same yellow as this. Now it's a lot lighter. So it's in great shape. Sorry, you know, I have to keep it closer to focus. Alright, so this is it. So here we are at the end of the day. It was a very successful retrobrite. As you can see, the color came back. That maybe you can see still that it used to be a little bit yellow over there. Now it's a lot better. Hopefully you've seen the procedure, you know now how to do it. Just be very careful when you do all these small things, the way you paint it on top of it, the way you move it around, and also remember you gotta be going back and forth, clean it, see how it's going, and then apply a new painting on top of it. But it's not hard, and if you are careful, you'll get a very good result. Thank you. See you next time. See still that it used to be a little bit yellow over there. Now it's a lot better. And